Our keynote speaker for the event, Paul Radon, and another keynote speaker, Mr. Venkatamurthy, HYSIA CSR Forum leader Manisha, and some of our executive committee and management committee members of HYSIA, our COO Srinivas Rao, our secretariat team, our amazing CSR forum members. I'm sure they're all there everywhere. Leaders from the industry and members from the NGO community, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. Well, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to the HYSIA CSR Summit 2021. And the theme of the event is volunteering to make a difference. Let me start with a quick introduction on HYSIA. I'm sure the lady who spoke before me also talked about it, but it's my responsibility to be able to, elevate HYSIA in every different platform that we are part of. So we are about a 28-year-old organization with more than 300 member companies covering 90% of the IT industry in Hyderabad. Our focus areas are fostering innovation, ecosystem, nurturing competency and skill development, promoting SME growth, enhancing infrastructure, supporting emerging corridors and facilitating CSR programs, and thus creating an environment conducive to the growth of IT industry in Hyderabad. HYSIA has worked closely with the government on policy formulation and various issues related to the industry. Our focus and vision have been validated by the fact that Telangana IT industry has been registering phenomenal growth year on year, right? And now it's close to about $120 billion. Crores. So the unstinted support at by the state government and its pioneering sectoral policy have played a key role in this achievement. HYSIA has been committed to CSR for more than a decade and a half now, with a focus on education, environment and health, and well-being. Over the last decade, we were primarily focused on education and environment initiatives. Our education initiative, DDI, it's called the Disruptive Digital Intervention, in association with Nirman, has now reached more than 12,000 students directly and 51,500 students indirectly through Train the Trainer program. We have covered this in 30 schools statewide in Telangana. We set up digital labs in these schools to enable digital literacy for the students at government schools. We have an ambitious target of 5 lakh students in the next 2 years. HYSIA has had tree plantation drives in Hi-Tech City and Gachibowli regularly since 2009 and has been an active partner for Harita Haram, which is a program that Telangana government has been doing every year. On the 11th of July 2016, HYSIA participated in a mega tree plantation drive conducted by the government of Telangana as a part of Harita Haram program. 50,000 samplings have been planted on one particular day, with involving about 5,000 IT employees, right, as volunteers. It's a very, a moment of pride for us, and we continue to do it every year, just not that one particular day, but every year. In summary, every 5th tree that you see in the main corridors of IT industry here in Cyberabad is planted by a HYSIA volunteer. As I always recollect with pride, that during one of the tree plantation drive, right, during the day, it was a hot day, so I just was part of it. I want to take shelter under a tree to just make sure that, just get some kind of little cool air. And at that point in time, I was looking up the tree, and one of the government officials who was part of that particular drive also, he came and said, "Sir, this was actually planted. This tree that you are under was planted by one of your HYSIA volunteer in one of your drives." So that shows the kind of commitment the HYSIA volunteers have shown in so many years and almost a decade, and that will continue to be our motivating factor on many programs that we do. So this year we have added one more important focus area, health and well-being, where our CSR forum volunteers will focus on projects related to livelihood creation, poverty alleviation, housing, women empowerment, child development and infrastructure creation. We've had a huge start in this segment with our contribution to the COVID relief activities. HYSIA, in collaboration with other industry bodies in Hyderabad, channelized about approximately 100 crores towards procurement of medical devices for COVID relief activities. I would say that with pride as well, yeah. So coming to the theme of the event, volunteering to make a difference. This theme is driven by the fact that ISR, individual social responsibility, is as important as corporate social responsibility. Individual social responsibility is the responsibility of every individual for his or her actions. It is more responsibility that everyone should act in such a way that they do not affect people around them. Every individual should be committed towards upliftment of various social causes. Individual, instead of giving importance to material means, should focus on welfare of others. ISR can only function if individuals rise above the self-interest and offer options which will benefit a large number of people. Every individual can make a small contribution to the society, be it any form from saving natural resources to doing charity. Volunteering is a very important means to ISR. It is all about giving your time and abilities to aid others without the want of financial compensation. Put simply, volunteering is a service to your community. Nothing gets done by one person alone, which means we have to band together to make the changes we want to see in the world. Volunteerism has indeed been the fuel to the fires of change both on international and local fronts. Volunteering your time, skills, and resources is one of the most powerful ways to make a difference, to help others, and as it turns out, to enhance your well-being. With busy lives, it can be hard to find to volunteer. However, the benefits of volunteering can be enormous. Volunteering offers vital help to people in need, worthwhile causes, and the community, but the benefits can be even greater for you, the volunteer. The right match can help you to find friends, connect with the community, learn new skills, and even advance your career. Giving to others can also help protect your mental and physical health. It can reduce stress, combat depression, keep you mentally stimulated, and provide a sense of purpose. While it is true that more you volunteer, the more benefits you'll experience, volunteering does not have to involve a long-term commitment or take huge amount of time of your busy schedule. Giving is in very simple ways can help those in need and improve your health and happiness. At HYSIA, we have tremendous opportunities to volunteer for the programs and initiatives we currently do and planning to do as well. We have developed a volunteering platform for this purpose to enroll volunteers. My colleague Manisha will explain more on this topic. I'm sure we have great topics on volunteering today, aligned with the focus areas of HYSIA, and also eminent speakers to deliberate on these topics. Without taking much more time, let me say this. HYSIA believes in sustainable impact of any program that we undertake and do not stop with preaching. Our mantra in anything we do is this: vision to action to outcomes to sustainable impact. Vision to action to outcomes to sustainable impact. Let us join hands together to bring about the desired change we want to see in every aspect of social development. Jai Hind, thank you very much.